Ever wondered how to spot a diamond in the rough of the stock market? Here's a quick guide to finding value stocks. The key is to identify companies trading below their intrinsic value, a strategy that can yield rewarding returns over time. So, how to find these hidden gems? Arm yourself with these 3 essential metrics. First, the price to earnings, or PE ratio. It's a simple division of a company's stock price by its earnings over the past 12 months. It's widely used for comparing valuations of companies within the same industry. Next, the price to earnings to growth, or PEG ratio. This metric adjusts the PE ratio by the company's annualized earnings growth rate, providing a more balanced comparison between different businesses. And finally, the price to book, or PB ratio. This calculates a company's share price as a multiple of its book value. This can help identify undervalued opportunities, especially when a stock is trading for less than its book value. Remember, value investing is about patience and thorough analysis. So, keep these metrics handy, and you just might find your diamond in the rough. Over and out.